in the projects that you've been involved in, have you been able to can you remark anecdotally on the demand savings that you see if someone's right sizing versus not right sizing, or perhaps choosing a really aggressive target environmental condition versus a more achievable one with something that doesn't perhaps require a desiccant system, perhaps,
Sure. I mean, am I unmuted? Yes. The letter reviews don't really go into that. They do, have a level of review to ensure that the equipment is right sized, but we don't then compare that against something else to sort of ascertain, what might the demand reduction have been at that facility based off of right sizing equipment. Yeah. What I can say though is, especially when it comes to temperature and humidity set points that you're trying to achieve, it's really substantial. You could be talking 20-30% more tonnage required, pretty easily. And that's going to come right along with really a direct increase in the demand of the system with that increase in tonnage. There's a lot of opportunity in right sizing equipment, and that's not new to the cannabis industry. That's sort of always been the more sustainable sort of integrated design approach, is to, get your loads as low as possible, understand what those loads are, and then serve those loads with, right size and efficient equipment. So that's not unique to cannabis. It's just maybe even more impactful because of the size of the systems we're talking about, the demand values that you were talking about. You're talking about over a meg of demand at some of these places. That's really substantial.